Hi, let's come join us in buying camera. We buy this camera in Denpasar, Bali, and we have finally arrived in Sriwijaya Kamera, Denpasar. And this is inside the store. It looks very full of camera things, and it's very complete. They have some cameras to try, and most of them are Sony, I think. And this is the 50 million rupiah camera. It's very expensive, I know. And anyway, Sony always has promo every month, so don't forget to check it out.
A few moments later.
And finally, we buy this camera, the Sony a6400. And we got some promo from Sony and the store. Yay! And this camera is very compact because it's mirrorless. And we got this free new lens from Sriwijaya Kamera. And finally, unboxing time. We choose this camera because it is budget friendly and it has a perfect travel size. And we thought the focus is absolutely incredible. And we think that this camera will have a decent image quality, like the video it's up to 4K, and we could burst shooting up to 11 fps, and also it has Wi-Fi with NFC and a Bluetooth. And for such quality, the price is around 12 million rupiah only. They gave us the strap for our new cameras, and also many types of charger. And this is the adapter of the battery. I mean the battery. And this is the adapter. And tada! La 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 la! This is the camera. Wait for it! Wait for it! Yay! The Sony a6400. It's very compact and very mini in my hand. I tried to turn it on, but it cannot because the battery is still outside. And no, it's the adapter, not the battery. And this is the battery. Yeah, just put it on and try to turn it on. Yay, very smooth the landscape. And yeah, it's black because I haven't opened the cap. Yay! Yeah, I don't know what to photo, so yeah, I just open the screen. And I think the screen is very fragile, like I have to be careful when I open it. Like it's very hard to open if I compare it with my previous Canon DSLR. It's very bad thing about this camera that I don't like. Yeah, and that's it, the unboxing of the new camera. Yay! Gak bisa. Okay, now let's try the new camera. It's very handsome, right? My husband really like this camera. And this is the TT Artisan lens. Choose this TT Artisan because it has a large aperture, so I can get a beautiful bokeh image for portrait. And if we buy Sony lens, it's very expensive and I couldn't afford it right now, so we choose the TT Artisan because it's more affordable. Like it's only 1 billion rupiahs, I think. And don't forget to use screen protector because it can be touched, but for limited use only. And I also like this service from this camera store because they're very careful about the cameras and they always, as per our occasion, comfortably. And this is the SD card. Don't forget to use the SD card and don't use the micro SD with adapter on it because it makes our cameras broken. We tried with the TT Artisan lens, and this is the fixed lens and we cannot zoom it, and yeah, this is the result of the TT Artisan and it's very beautiful with this bokeh. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.
見てくれてありがとう。